So completing with iDesign tutorials, today I will be modeling this model or this mask, let's say. There is like different ways just to, or let's say like various ways just to model such a mass or a concept. We could use the mass, we could use the model in place, generic models, we could do it as normal walls. I think now if we just use as like an extrusion for this main part, let's say, and then this one as a curtain wall, I will just consider this one as maybe 600 or 700, we will see. And now with a height of 800 maybe. So we will go to Revit, go to level 1, of course, just open an architecture template, normal one, just set the unit as centimeter. UN is the shortcut, of course. Go to component and maybe just um, model in place, put it as generic model and say okay. Name it as you want, just put a normal extrusion with a normal rectangle or square. So I can see that like 800 with 800 is really good because like you see this one, it looks like a cube, so it has like the same dimension from this, let's say, this side and that side. Okay, maybe either is the same the height or it's a bit like much bigger a bit. Okay, so I will just consider it as 800 and then give it a height of maybe, let me see, if I just give it 800 or maybe 700. Yeah, I think it's accepted more than that one. Okay, so I will just give it a material just to look like a white one. Okay, so this one is good. And now let me just open that void in it. So we do have this void. Okay, so I will consider this one as maybe 250 or 2. Okay, so I will open it, and then maybe we could add this part later. So I will just open this part as a void, and I will go for that thing, and I will just create a void extrusion, set it, put it, pick a plane, this one, this one. Hmm, maybe 250, and then go just for, I will make this part as maybe 150 and this one as 2. Or maybe we could make it the same, so maybe this one 150. Okay, make it 2, it's fine. Okay, since we just made that one, I think another 50, and then like that, and then this one, and delete this one, and delete that one, and then another li from here to here and there. Close it, go to 3D, just put it as 500. Okay, another maybe, let me just see if we just go to the right one, di, um, okay, accepted, di, okay, without di. Go to north one, let me see, now di now, okay, accepted it. This one is 250, and then west one, south one, come on, babe. Okay, di, this one is 3, so I will just add another, edit, another 50 for this void, 550. Okay, so it's good now. Finish it, and then let me just draw that curtain wall. Okay, I will just go to WA. I will draw a normal one. As you see in this picture, we do have this one. It has like no vertical or horizontal mullions. Okay, even it doesn't have any grids. Okay, so I will do that. Select the type and then just go to horizontal, and this one make it as a none. Okay, horizontal grid, and then go to the vertical mullions and make it as none. Okay, say okay, apply, and then from this point like this, let me just see, come on, it's okay, like that, and maybe from here to here. Go to 3D, select this one, let me see the height. It should like another, okay, if we just make it as 500, so now minus, it is right, yeah, it is. So okay, there is another like an extension, you see, an extension in here. So we could, or what we could do is just like, uh, first of all, Control Z, and then just bring this one, MV, delete first, delete this one, MV, maybe put it as 100 inside. CS for create similar, I think, and then just make it like this. I just put LI for just a normal line. Just put a line like this, okay, maybe 100. Okay, now, okay, at this point. So I will delete these two, and then WA, and then make the same, like this one. Okay, delete the line, which is okay. Keep it, it's okay for me. Okay, this is it. Yeah. Now I will just select this one and make it as 500. Yeah. I think even I don't want to see these grids, okay? So I will just go again. The grids of the vertical one, I don't want to see them. None. Apply. Delete the grids. Okay. This one. Yeah, exactly. That's how I want it. Okay, so I will just make this because we do have this corner, so I will just make it as an L shape. And first I will just edit the type of it. So we do have maybe here 300, okay? I will just make it as 300. So just first of all, MA for match properties, this one with that one, and then just select this one and edit type, and just LA, LI, come on. It's not working as an LI. Okay, it should work. Make it as maybe, let me see. Select this one, CO, from this point to maybe 300. Oh yeah, it is. So I'll make another line for it, maybe at 200, maybe this one. Okay, middle point. I will accept it like that. LI or TR, sorry, for trim and extend this one with that one. Yes. And now do the same for this one. Edit, just put the line and then just select this one, CO for copy. Make sure like just to see this horizontal dash line, okay, at the ground, let's say, and then just put 300. And now from the middle of it, go like this, TR, this one with that one. Yes, exactly. That's how I want it to be. Select this mullion and unpin it. Skip it for one time and then another one. Select this one, unpin it. Go to L mullion and now delete mullion. Now we do have an exact good corner. So go to this mask, edit, select create extrusion, and then just select align. I just select this one, okay, you see it, and then what I will do is just wait, we did something wrong. I think we have to put it, or we should put it at the ground. So I will just select this one. Let me see exactly. Yeah, tap this. Sorry, set at, okay. Let me just uh, set it, cancel it, yes. Now just create, let me just see, set at level 1, yes. Now extrusion, and now backline, this one with that one, yes, exactly, that's how I want it. This line with that line. Go to level 1, you can see these lines now, just DR, this one with that one, this one with this one, this one with that one. Let me see. It's good. But what I could do is just maybe let me just see now if I just put like a line like this and then maybe from here to here, from here to here. TR. Now trim all these corners and say okay. Go to level 1 or 3D, sorry, and then just rise it up a bit, maybe the 250. Yes, exactly, that's how I want it to be. And then just put the material, this one. Yeah, we made that part. I mean, it's really good. It looks nice. So we could see the picture. We do have this part. This part, maybe I could make it as a wall, okay? And then we could just edit the type of it and then just go, just go to wall. Finish this one, go to wall. WA for normal wall. Put it as, let me see the thickness. It's 200 or 300. Put that one. Generic 200, 300. There is, okay. I will just go like this. I draw 300 or first just put an exterior one or interior 30 and then okay another 30 and then make it like this AL for align this line with that one and then delete this part and then align this one with that one and now okay go to the height make it as 700. Yes, and then edit the type of it. Go to right elevation. Just put a line or big line, this line with that one. And now TR like so. Say OK and go to the type of it. Just edit the material. Put it as gypsum board. Come on, bro, we made it. Okay. Yes, exactly. Now go to level 1 or to the site plan. Select this one, CO. From this one to make it as 60. It's really good. Just make it as multiple one from this one to 60, another 60, 60, 60. Let me see the number of it. It's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is. Yeah, and we made this part. We do have maybe that one. We could do it the same in the same way without maybe a void. So I will just go to 3D, go to site or go to level 1, put a wall. Let me just first of all just put a reference plane just to know the center. And then this is the center, okay? So I will just put a wall at this side, okay? Like so. Select it and MV for move 15 because it's the half of it. And then double M for mirror in here. But first I will just like select this one, edit the type of that one. Let me see how maybe this one is 200 or 200 or 150. Go to back elevation. DI for dimension. From here to here is 100. Just select this one and make it 150. Remove constraint. LI without LI. Put another 150 in here and like so. Trim and extend all these lines. And here you are. Let me see. We could just select this one, make this one as 400. No, bro, come on. 400. Remove constraint. Okay. Yes. No, it's even more. Yeah. Control Z for that one. It's okay. Keep it as it is. Yeah, I like it like this. Okay, go to site now. Select this one and uh, for mirror, and then select this one CO. From here it's 30, and then we do need another 60. Another 60. Select this one with this one, and double M, and like so. Yeah. And lastly, we do have this ground. We could make it as we want. We could put a floor, L for a shortcut, and just put something like this, and then just edit the material of it, put it as white, and say, and that's it. Yeah, this is it. I like it. GD, smooth line, shadow, these both, and then the lighting, put it like this, and the shadow is down a bit, and say okay. And here you are.